Hi again, this is Curt Sinclair with Illinois 4-H. On this video we're going to talk about ladder stands in deer hunting. Ladder stands again come in different materials. This one is actually made out of steel. I want to reiterate, no matter what stand we're talking about, I do not condone that you leave them out year round because they will degrade with rust. The welds will get weaker with freezing and thawing water. Any straps you have that are holding them to the tree will also weaken and age. At the end of the season, take them down, take care of them, put them in a covered building, put them in the garage or the barn. This is a stand. I highly would recommend that you have a partner when you're putting up a ladder stand. It's a lot easier and a lot safer. So I will go ahead and stand this one up on my own, but I will probably demonstrate with a partner how I would like for you to get up into the ladder the first time, because think about it, the first time it's up against a tree, it's not strapped in tight up top. That's what makes it sturdy later on. So we're going to talk about how to do that safely. If you are by yourself, you're going to want to stabilize the bottom of the ladder up against the tree trunk, because it'll start to slide on you as you lift up the front of the ladder. So you'll see me here put this ladder up the end of the ladder towards the base of the tree that I'm going to end up having the top. Then I'll have to scoot the bottom of it out after I stand it up. Okay, but I'm going to just get under it and walk it up, then scoot the back end of it out before we do the next step. Okay? Here. Okay, you'll see that I have two lines on it. They're going to be useful for securing the top of it back the first time I go up. However, I want you to come forward with me and I'll show you a trick to do first. Back at the ladder stand, we've got it leaned up against the tree at the top, but it is not secured at all. Okay, the very first place you want to secure the ladder is about midway up, about as high as you can reach, up on a rung that you can take a brace that comes with the ladder stand. You're going to go from one of the rungs, you want to go as straight as you can across to the tree trunk. Okay, these are adjustable. So that you can make this longer or shorter depending on what kind of terrain, how big your tree is, and all that. But you can actually eyeball that before you secure it. And then we're gonna put a bolt here that'll hold it to the rung. We'll put a ratchet strap here nice and tight. Then we've got this thing secured halfway up. That's better than nothing. We've got the ladder secured at the center bracket over from the rung of the ladder about midway up to the tree trunk, but that's not good enough when the first person has to climb and put a ratchet strap on the top. So you want a couple of long lines. I'm talking twice as long as the ladder is tall. So that's a 15-foot ladder stand. I got 30-foot lines on it. And I'm going to stand back at the biggest angle I can because I get more leverage the farther back away from the tree I am. This is where you need a partner. Okay, this is a two-man job to do safely. I recommend two people. Bring the person back here, nice strong person, give them leverage before you climb that ladder for the first time. It's nearly impossible to get yourself strapped in on that very first climb. Okay, this part from the top back here at a strong angle, vitally important.